Hey, meal preppers, how you doing? It is Sunday for us, Thursday for you. Paul coming at you here, Amy behind the camera. And man, last weekend was super busy for us. Life catches up. We had to plan our meals instead of prep them on Sunday. So that's why we only had 2 on the recipe. But this week we got 3. I'm super excited about all of them. I cooked them myself while Amy studied.
Working.
Well, yeah.
On Benadryl.
Yeah, that's right. You work on Benadryl. Yeah, she's had an allergy weekend, so she is just flying by the seat of her pants.
Yep.
But right here, we're gonna start over here. We've got 2 meat dishes and a veggie dish. Right here, I got a Banh Mi burger here with a shaved Brussels salad. Really looking forward to this one. I love Banh Mi flavor. This is ground pork here with basically fresh basil is the main ingredient in there. And then you got some fish sauce, some sugar, but just grill that up like a hamburger. And then I made a shaved Brussels salad with some cucumber, cilantro, shredded carrot. And then I put sesame oil, sugar, and rice vinegar in there to kind of make it all together. Kind of like a slaw, but it should be really good with the burger next to it. Over here, phenomenal dish here. And gosh, man, I could not stop eating the chicken. Sorry, babe.
Jeez.
Don't worry. What? It's chicken.
Took it out of your portion, right?
I took it out of my portion. Yep.
Sure.
So this is a creamy Dijon mustard chicken right here, and it's got spinach kale mix in there. I should have put more. It's already 5 ounces. Should have put double that. And we got it over quinoa. I put mine with steamed broccoli. Amy's gonna have hers with salad. And quinoa, we haven't had quinoa in a while.
Oh, we've been on a rice kick.
But what's good about this, it's got coconut aminos, ground mustard, as well as Dijon mustard. Oops, sorry, babe.
Nice.
And then you thicken it up with arrowroot powder. And oh my gosh, it just makes an incredible sauce with it. Poured a little bit over there for you.
Yum.
And then just topped it with sesame seeds. Again, we had plenty of sesame seeds from when we bought them in bulk foods. Just gonna grab a towel. And then over here is a veggie dish. This is a Chipotle butternut squash and black bean dish. And I bulked it up a little bit with some Brussels sprouts. And we served this with jasmine rice. But this is just a one sheet pan thing. You just chop it all up. You mix it in a bowl with a bunch of spices. You got apple cider vinegar. You've got the chipotles in there, some onion. But you mix it all up and just pour it in a big pan. Bakes for about 40 minutes, so prepare for this one.
So do that one first if you're doing more than one.
If you're making other dishes, because I did this one last, well, kind of in the middle, but yeah, make this first and then make your other dishes. And then I made my, I love this yogurt sauce. It is just yogurt, lemon juice, and honey. That's all it is, Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and honey with a little salt and pepper. Just mix the proportions in there. About a tablespoon of honey, tablespoon of lemon juice. Yep.
Spit it out.
And that's it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And it'll go great with the spice, the chipotle there against the veggies. We had some extra here for our daughter, so she can eat those up as well. Got plenty of extra sauce. Guys, easy dishes this week. This was a 1 skillet thing. You know, this is just burgers. Gosh, I finished in no time. I did it all by myself.
An hour and a half alone.
But let us know what you like. I would do them all, definitely. And let us know what you like. Always comment on our meals and let us know what you want in the future. We can always make some recipes if you got some requests. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.